Right now, a massive economic force is creating a new class of wealth. And the surprising part is that you don't need to be a software engineer or write any code to capture it. Every traditional business out there, from local real estate firms to large e-commerce brands, needs to implement AI automation to survive. The problem is they lack the in-house technical expertise to actually do it. This creates a gap in the market. By positioning an AI agency as the bridge between raw technology and confused businesses, founders are generating project fees ranging from $5,000 to $50,000. This graph plots a typical 12-month timeline for building that bridge from scratch. You can see a sustained red valley of negative income here. It takes 6 to 12 months of effort building operational systems before a new agency reaches break-even. Launching a new agency requires more than technical skill. It demands enough capital to survive this initial startup phase while the market moves at an incredibly fast pace. To understand the solution, we have to look at how these agencies actually operate. Founders do not invent or code AI models themselves. They package existing tools together using platforms like Make.com, a visual automation tool that connects software without writing code, and APIs. An API is a set of rules that allows different applications to communicate and share data with each other. Because you are leveraging third-party software instead of building it, overhead costs stay low. Running the entire core software stack usually requires between $200 and $500 a month. This diagram illustrates 3 distinct geometric columns representing a tiered pricing strategy. You begin with a $2,500 starter package, scale to a growth package, and offer $15,000 enterprise transformations. Combined with low overhead, you see profit margins of 40 to 60%. This model is lucrative because you are monetizing the customized implementation of accessible tools. In the end, you are selling the finished result to the client rather than funding the invention of the underlying software. This packaged service model is efficient enough that a solo operator can generate $150,000 to $300,000 annually. But there is a requirement for entry. Enterprise clients generally will not pay premium rates without seeing a proven portfolio, verified case studies, and an established brand reputation. Acquiring those first few case studies is a major friction point. It often requires founders to work for free or at heavy discounts just to build the credibility needed to attract real buyers. This high-margin business model remains theoretical if the founder runs out of cash or momentum before building the market authority required to land major clients. There is an alternative path, bypassing the startup phase entirely by purchasing an already established traditional digital agency. On day one of an acquisition, you gain a roster of existing clients, a skilled team, and stable recurring revenue. You skip the early-stage struggle for credibility. This node diagram shows a traditional agency connected to clients. You simply upsell high-margin AI services to this existing base. This chart tracks how the acquisition cost is steadily recouped by recurring revenue, creating a strong ROI. Acquiring an established agency is an arbitrage play. It allows an entrepreneur to convert capital into a functioning, cash-flowing machine without enduring the high-risk startup phase. To execute this safely, you need to look for specific metrics. Prioritize agencies with strong client diversity and deeply documented SOPs, or standard operating procedures, which are step-by-step written instructions that outline exactly how to deliver the services. The most direct route is using specialized marketplace platforms. Sites like Ecom Chief provide a curated list of vetted, profitable digital agencies that are ready for immediate takeover. Acquiring a turnkey business this way comes with built-in support and a clear handover process to ensure a transition into the new AI service model. The window to capitalize on the AI boom is closing. The entrepreneurs who build wealth in 2026 will likely be those who buy a proven vehicle to launch faster, rather than those trying to build the engine from scratch.